Yo, I am Hamdan. I am a programmer who loves to code, try weird challenges, make AI do stupid things, build something completely useless because I can, solve Rubik's Cube within 40 seconds. Yeah, I don't know what you're going to do with that piece of information, but I can solve a 4 by 4, a 5 by 5, and a 6 by 6. That's it. Yeah, that's it so far. So far. I'll do. Okay. So, what will I do in this channel? Coding. Yeah. And I'll teach coding as well. Teach coding, and also showcase my projects. Yeah, this channel is gonna be a chaos, but with programming. If this sounds like your kind of chaos, stick around, subscribe, and let's make something cool, or at least something that works. See you in the upcoming videos. Bye. That's it. Just get out of the video, man. I swear.